Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring both SIMs are active and can receive SMS. This is essential because WhatsApp verifies via code. Next, install or update WhatsApp from the Play Store and perform a quick chat backup to Google Drive so nothing is lost. Choose which number you want to verify first, typically your primary contact, and keep the phone in a location with steady mobile signal. Once done, proceed to verify the first number using the SMS or call code WhatsApp sends. With the first number active, install a second WhatsApp instance, either WhatsApp Business or a vendor-supported dual apps feature, and verify it with the second SIM's SMS code. Make sure both apps have permissions for contacts, SMS, storage, and microphone so messages, media, and calls work correctly. Once verified, label each account in settings or profile name so you can tell them apart. Make sure to set notification tones differently for quick recognition. This prevents missing messages and reduces confusion between lines. Finish by testing both accounts. Send messages, make voice calls, and receive media to confirm everything functions. If verification fails for the second number, try toggling airplane mode briefly or restarting the phone, then request SMS verification again. Sometimes the network needs a reset. Make sure each account's backup settings are configured Google Drive for one, and if not available for the other, use manual chat export. And double-check notification preferences so you can reliably use dual SIM WhatsApp without mix-ups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.